Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, I'm back with another PMB beauty video and I'm with the lovely, gorgeous Faith, and we're just going to start off by applying a cream foundation, and I'm blending that out with a blending face brush. And for her look today, we are going pretty in pink. It's going to be super gorgeous. So I'm just continuing to blend that foundation out, and then of course I am going to set it. But before I set it, I am going in with some concealer, and I'm going to conceal and highlight the center of her face. So you just want to blend that out using a sponge or your fingers or a brush or whatever works for you. And of course I'm using my favorite Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just blending that out. And now I am setting, and I'm using a combination of dual powders to set her foundation. So going in with a little bronzer, I want to bronze up her skin a bit, add some warmth to her complexion. And I'm just going to bronze in a C formation, so from the top of her forehead down her cheek. And I'm going in with our contour and highlight palette in medium, and I'm going to highlight the center of her face. And this is just going to give her that glow from within look. Going into brows, I'm using our brow pencil in brunette to fill in the sparse areas of her brows. And now I'm just going to brush through her brows with a little brow mascara to further groom them and keep them in place. Going into our Soft Petals palette, I'm using that really pretty bold pink shade, and I'm applying that all over the eye. Then I'm going to go into that light peachy shade and blend out any harsh lines, and blending it right into the crease. Going in with the champagne gold, I'm applying that under her brow as a highlight. And I'm also bringing that gold down to the bottom lash line. So for this look, I am not using any eyeliner. I want to keep it really nice and clean, but I will go in with some mascara, and I'm using Intense Lash Mascara. So on the cheeks, I'm going in with Goldfish, which is a really pretty peachy coral tone. And then I'm going into our Quattro in Warm Breeze, and I'm adding a little bit of shimmer to her cheekbones to give her a really nice glow. And lastly, for this look, I'm going to line her lips with our pencil in Cameo. And because the eyes are so strong, we're going to keep the lips nude. So I'm going in with French Kiss, and I'm going to fill in her lips with that lipstick. There you have it, guys. Faith looking pretty in pink. Absolutely love this.
Wow. I love that pink. Looks really good. What makes me confident in my skin is having a mother who every day lets me know just how worthy I am to be on this earth and to take up space and to really strive for anything and everything I want in life. What I love most about being a Black woman is being representative of the embodiment of strength, to emulate grace in everything and anything I do, to have someone like my mom and many other Black strong women who, who make me comfortable to be who I am and to embrace everywhere I come from. What I would tell my 12-year-old self about what I think beauty is the same thing I would tell my younger sister and the same thing I learned from my older one. Beauty is skin deep. It is in finding the essence that makes you comfortable. It's finding the things that make you happy. It is surrounding yourself with people who build you up